Welcome to the best picks. The best cane flashlights are probably one of the most sought-after assistive devices for visually impaired or elderly individuals, offering a blend of safety, convenience, and independence. These innovative tools seamlessly combine the functionality of a traditional walking cane with the added benefit of a bright, reliable flashlight, enhancing visibility and confidence during nighttime walks or in low-light conditions. This video will explore the top cane flashlights on the market, helping you choose the perfect model to suit your specific needs and preferences. Number 5. Emson Car Cane. It's more than just a cane, it's your new companion for safe and easy car entry and exit. Designed for stability and peace of mind. Getting in and out of your car can be challenging. This handle provides the support you need, making it effortless and secure. It fits perfectly in all cars. Enjoy the convenience and support wherever you go. Made from strong forged steel, it can hold up to 350 pounds and is backed by a lifetime guarantee. You can depend on it. It's not just for support, it also includes a window breaker, seatbelt cutter, and a bright LED flashlight, all in one convenient tool. Always be prepared for unexpected situations. The non-slip grip ensures a comfortable and secure hold, giving you the confidence you need. It's designed for your comfort and safety. Its compact design allows for easy storage in your car door or glove box. Always have it with you when you need it. What we like. It's a lifesaver in emergencies, offering crucial tools and a reliable light source. If you frequently drive and want extra safety and security, this is the perfect choice. Its compact design makes it easy to store, ensuring you're always prepared for unexpected situations. What people say. It fit perfectly on the door handle to help with getting in and out of the car. Great for those with elderly parents and injured. It fits into the door frame and stays put. It's very sturdy. You just pop it out when you're done. It fits in the door pocket for storage. There is a small flashlight to help at night. The car cane works perfectly as a handle, providing my mother with the support she needs when entering and exiting the car. What's even better is how conveniently it fits into the storage on the car door when not in use. It's incredibly easy for her to remove and stow away. Number 4. Ohuhu Folding Walking Cane. It features 6 built-in LEDs to light your way in the dark. You can adjust the light's direction for your convenience. Remember to properly twist the battery cover after removing the plastic piece. This cane adjusts to 5 different heights, accommodating users from 5 feet 3 inches to 5 feet 11 inches. Its wide base ensures it stands firmly on its own, providing stability and confidence. It folds up quickly to just 11.8 inches, making it easy to store in a bag, suitcase, or car. Take it with you wherever you go. Weighing only 1 pound, it's made from anodized aluminum, supporting up to 227 pounds. It's lightweight yet strong, providing reliable support. The ergonomic grip is comfortable to hold, reducing hand fatigue. The wrist strap adds an extra layer of security, preventing accidental drops. What we like. It offers great adjustability and portability, making it suitable for various heights and travel needs. If you're looking for a convenient and reliable walking aid that's easy to carry, this is a great option. Its sturdy build ensures stability and safety, making it perfect for everyday use. What people say. It has a good grip handle designed very well. The light very bright. I was surprised at how nice it is and very sturdy. This is perfect for the car. I just keep it folded on the seat beside me until I need it. I also love how I am able to throw it in my purse, and it's there if when I need it. So handy, and it lit the way so I wasn't bumping into things. The cane bends a very small amount in use, but it is very sturdy. The handle isn't the same as my solid one, but it's sufficient for travel. Number 3. Original Car Cane 2.0. It's more than just a cane, it's your new companion for safe and easy car entry and exit. Designed for stability and peace of mind. It fits virtually any car thanks to its unique U-shaped latch. Enjoy effortless use, no matter what vehicle you're in. Made from strong forged steel, it supports up to 350 pounds. It provides the leverage you need for confident mobility. This isn't your average cane. It also features a built-in window breaker, seatbelt cutter, and a bright LED flashlight, all in one convenient tool. The non-slip grip ensures a comfortable and secure hold, giving you the confidence you need. It's designed for ease of use and safety. Its compact size makes it easy to store in your car's door pocket or glove compartment. Always have it with you when you need it. What we like. It provides support for getting in and out of cars, while also offering emergency tools and a bright light. If you need a dependable mobility aid with added safety features, this is a great choice. Its robust design ensures durability and reliability, making it a worthwhile investment. What people say. It also has a convenience light you can use when needed and also has a seatbelt cutter. This model is more durable. The rounded shape fits comfortably in the hand, the light helps at night, overall a great product. Number 2. Mars Wellness Folding Cane. Introducing the ultimate travel companion for added safety and stability. Its lightweight design and folding mechanism make it perfect for everyday use and travel. It features a slip-resistant rubber tip and a sturdy, pivoting base for superior traction and balance. Walk with confidence, knowing you're well supported. This cane folds easily for convenient storage and travel. Take it with you wherever you go, ensuring your safety and comfort. With its built-in LED flashlight, it lights your way, providing extra visibility and safety during low-light conditions. It's also equipped with an SOS alarm for emergencies. The soft foam grip handle and additional handle provide comfortable support and assist you in standing up from seated positions. Experience the ease and convenience it offers. This cane is designed for both men and women, providing maximum safety and endurance while remaining lightweight and easy to use. Enjoy worry-free mobility. What we like. It prioritizes portability and ease of use with its lightweight and foldable design. If you need a cane for travel or everyday use that's easy to store and transport, this is a perfect option. The additional handle provides extra support and stability, making it suitable for various needs. What people say. When I'm shopping I can fold it into my cart and instantly open it when I need it to walk. The night light allows me to see when I have to get up to go to the restroom in the middle of the night. The way it easily folds I can store it away in my purse or small carry-on bag. The adjustable height is a plus and most importantly it comes with batteries. Can take anywhere because it can fold into a very small size. Very helpful when trying to stand from a sitting position. Number 1. TipSee Flashlight for Canes. With it attached to your cane or walker, you'll see better in low light, helping you avoid tripping or bumping into things. It increases your safety and peace of mind. It provides extra light, making it easier to navigate dark areas. This will boost your confidence and independence. Attached to your cane, walker, or wheelchair, it eliminates the need for a separate flashlight. Plus, it's water resistant, so rain won't stop you. The high-intensity LED provides 100 lumens of light, lasting for hours on a single AA battery. It illuminates a wide area, guiding you safely. TipSee Light Company is based in New York and committed to high-quality products. It's proudly assembled in the USA. What we like. It offers a hands-free lighting solution for added safety and convenience. If you're looking to enhance your visibility while using a cane or walker, this is a great choice. Its simple design makes it easy to attach and detach, allowing for versatile use. What people say. This cane light has a light touch switch for easy on and off. Has a strong connection to the cane for horizontal or vertical direction. Light attached easily to wheeled walker and has remained secure after repeated loading and unloading from the car. It's primarily used for added safety during nighttime bathroom visits, very helpful. Definitely brighter than needed in the house, but since the light's direction can be adjusted, it works well inside and outside. The battery life is good. It fits the cane well, haven't had any issues with it yet. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.